can define me. Everybody, it's Barbara Campbell, independent digital music creator, artist here in Brooklyn, New York. It's a beautiful day, everybody, and I'm getting ready for BC rehearsal, and I'm holding on to my guitar because I don't have I can't hold on to it until I order my strap that goes over here. I can wear it, but for now I'm holding on to my new black guitar. Loving it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And I'm so happy. I'm so happy with it. I'm so thrilled. And I'm just getting started. So it's BC Original Rehearsal. Thank you so much for tuning in. Tune back as I'm getting ready. And you heard a bit about my new song on Black Beauty Can Define Me. You can check that out via my social pages and my YouTube. And I just want to say thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. This week has been a big week, but I look forward to presenting some new songs, some new lyrics and music I've been working on, and most importantly, my beautiful piece that's coming up. And I'm going to be playing it with this beautiful black guitar. All right, everybody. I'll see you in the next minute. How is your day? How's your day going, everybody? How's your day going? I hope you're having a great day. I'll see you on the next minute. Be live on air, Barbara Campbell Television. And just a little sneak peek as I'm getting ready and warming up. All right. I hope everybody had a good day today, and check out my songs. I think that this week, be uplifted with my new song on Black Beauty Can Define Me. All right, everybody. Spiritual Man, that's another song I wrote. Called The Preacher, that's another song I wrote. So you're going to want to check it all out on YouTube and check out my videos under Barbara Campbell Television. All right, everybody. Till then, I'll see you on the next minute. Bye-bye. Till then, you count your man, stay in Brooklyn. Bye-bye.